Ynon, thank you so much for joining us today on the heels of your big Analyst Day presentation this morning. You've been working on a turnaround for Mattel for many years, and increasingly entertainment is a key piece of that. Tell us about how you're making Mattel as much an entertainment company as it is about producing toys.
Well, hi, Julia. First, let me start by saying that our transformation strategy is showing very strong results, and we are starting to unlock the true value of Mattel. Over the last 3 years, we've made significant progress on all key financial metrics, and we're now evolving our strategy. We gave guidance for 2021 and goals for the next 2 years after that, and expect to improve profitability, accelerate sales growth, and increase market share globally. The Mattel playbook is working, as you can clearly see, and our product is resonating with consumers at levels we have not seen in years. But as proud as we are with our results so far, we're even more excited about the future. This is all part of a multi-year strategy that is tracking very well, which puts us in a very strong position in 2021 and beyond. And our IP is a key part of that strategy.
And so, but Ynon, you have dozens of shows in development. You have shows on the air. You have movies in development. You have these Barbie movies. You're making movies and shows out of the Uno card game, which seems like an odd one for me to turn into content. But at the same time, there's obviously, these recognizable brands that have value. Do you see Mattel ultimately becoming more about creating content and licensing your brands to make content than about actually selling toys?
So we own one of the strongest catalogs of children and family entertainment franchises in the world. And the opportunity that we're pursuing is incremental to what we can do with our toy business. There's tremendous value we can capture in being a high-performing toy company. And this is well underway. In addition, in the mid to long term, we have the opportunity to expand into highly accretive business verticals that are directly adjacent to the toy industry and capture full value from our incredible brands in those areas. Think of film, television, consumer product and merchandise, video games, live event, music, and anything that is driven by big brands, big known IP that have built-in fan base. This is really where we have the opportunity to participate and create in success transformative value.
And it seems, Ynon, like there's also opportunity to grow the direct-to-consumer relationship when it comes to selling your products. You grew e-commerce by 50% last year, but tell us about the opportunity to go more direct-to-consumer rather than through many of the websites that sell your products.
That's right. So we grew our e-commerce business significantly, as you mentioned. It's actually now more than a third of our global retail sales. But the direct-to-consumer opportunity is yet another engine of growth for the company. With American Girl, we reached almost $200 million in direct retail sales, and this will be at the forefront of our strategy. In addition, we are launching Mattel Creations, which is more curated, collectible, high-end product that is complementing what we do with American Girl. And this is really the start of our strategy to reach consumers directly with our own retail sales as a complementary strategy to what we do with our retail partners that sell our product today in more than 470,000 doors globally.
Ynon, you have a particular insight into the health of the American consumer, not just through your products, but also, you have mobile games and all these different things. And I'm wondering, based on what you're seeing right now, how do you anticipate consumer trends changing? On one hand, you have the opportunity to spend money on other things as people can get out in the world again and travel. And you also have the fact that a lot of consumers are really strapped for cash and really suffering right now. Where do you see consumer spending going?
Well, in our business, we see continued growth. The toy industry as a whole grew last year significantly and continues to demonstrate its resilience even in challenging economic times. The industry is proving to be a strategic category for retailers as parents continue to prioritize spend on their children and look for high-quality product and trusted brands at affordable price points. In our universe, the Mattel growth outpaced the industry, and we didn't just ride the wave. We grew ahead of the industry and continue to focus on what we do best, which is connect with consumers, offer a high-quality product. We're leveraging our brands that resonate really well. And with that, we continue to focus on growing our business, growing our sales, and continue to improve profitability.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.